She's ready for war. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She not the fear at all. She's ready to fight. She not the fear at all. She's ready to fight. Nansa, don't wear on the charger. And I'm a nobody fear myself. Okudo kaburu, say I am on that day. Respect is a broker.
Moment!
Where is that idiot you call a daughter?
Please, Igwe. Whatever you want to do to my daughter, do it to me, but spare her life, please.
Really? Take him up.
Igwe, please. Igwe, please. Oh, Igwe, please. Spare my life. Igwe, please. Spare my life. Igwe, please. Oh, spare my life.
Bring the casket.
Man, this period go too semo. This festive period go for everywhere. Marama, they wine. Hi, everywhere go. Eh? What happened?
Problem day.
What's he?
Dikeh dey house. He dey with Papa.
Eh?
If you no follow me go now, Papa, something fit up for Papa house. Oh.
You say waiting?
They tell you say Dikeh dey there. He dey there. He dey with Papa.
Wait, I dey come.
Hi.
Papa! Papa! What have you done to my father? What have you done to him, you murderer? You bastard! What have you done to him? Papa! 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 No! Papa! 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 No!
Hey, you. Are you the person in charge of here?
Yes. No problem. Young man, on whose authority are you working on this site?
Maziokoro's son, Mr. Andy. This is his project and I'm in charge. Any problem?
So since when have you people started working on a site without the consent of the king?
Chinekeme. Now, what's in the happen for you now? What's in the happen for this community now? This is his father's land. He inherited it from his father. He need king permission to build house for his own papa land.
Kai.
We done now.
Kai, young man, you better be careful, is that clear? Don't get me upset here. Who are you? No. I said, who are you?
Now, officer, not educate me now. Who are you now? Not educate me because say Karikalana. My name is Soko Sisi. I'm from this community. And the little I know, you are working for the king. You're not from this community. So don't educate me now. Who are your compass now?
Oh. I can see you have mouth, ba? I can see you have guts. You don't drink crocodile water, ba?
Officer, I see me like this now. I don't get time for problem. Allow me, make I do my work. Go do your work for palace.
Stop that nonsense you are talking about. Leave these premises right now. I say you should get out from here.
What in the happen here now? Habobia. Come, manipulate, they talk to people who kala. You to a cookie like you.
Hey! Officer! You go money. Hey! Officer! Hey!
What in the happen here, sir? What the happen here? What in the happen here?
If you have guts. If you have guts, Abi. You think you have guts, Abi?
Yes!
You have guts.
Yes!
Go down.
Yes!
Go down.
Yes!
Are you stupid?
Chineke man!
I said, are you mad? Are you okay? Hold on, man! Hey, go that way! That way! Catch that man! Go! Get that man! Hey, hold me! Go now! Hold on, man! Hey, hold me! Catch that man! Catch him! Hey! Here, let me see the one you have.
Let them pass around. Make you see our way. Fast. How you doing now?
Fine, okay.
You go fresh. This Lagos good for your body.
Give God the glory. You look good, oh, eh? You are enjoying yourself. You know, when I found out that you are into this business, I thought about giving you a contract to supply chicken for the burial ceremony.
You're a good friend, though.
Observer.
Okay.
Carry
on. You get with.
This is your best. They are majestic. Oh. I'm really impressed.
No, wait a minute. They carry away. All the two make you see.
Also, you no go die.
They chop well. No, can you give them the two? Obi.
Okay, I think I think I like them.
Big boy, Abi. Turkish.
Nasa, you're so funny. You know you're not changing.
Andy. Andy. Trouble don't boss you. Trouble day.
I don't understand. What's going on?
No, be down my king. Down my stupid. This one a stupid king. One don't know whether in they hide. Because no only person where they hide, and I'm going to do what they do. Because I don't know what they give and the Manchester way making going to do for this community. You check out now. Income carry men come lap your site. Those useless people where they follow them. The carry kala come your site. Lap the site. I think say that one no dey enough. Now these people start to the punch me. If not be say home my site, them for just do me anyhow. The one where they pay me now, they say they don't seal your site. What? They don't seal your site. You say may nobody work there again. Now workers waiting for your site, don't man.
Because a real seal in my site. Is this madness?
This one not be madness, it pass madness. This one my highness. The guy they high.
Nasa, I have to leave now. I have to.
Please follow up the matter. Should I come with you?
No, don't worry, I'll be back.
Hey, can't tell me this. Why is this man behaving like this? Carry the fall, go back. Make one guy no beat them. Check on the open mat, you need water. Okay.
Someone is looking for you.
Let him in.
Yes, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
My name's Sir Andy Okeke. The man you sealed this property. With all due respect, Your Highness, I would love to know the reason why you chased my workers from my site and sealed my property. Your Highness, I'm a son of the soil and I inherited that property from my father.
I see you are new here. Maybe you just came back, so you don't know how things work around here. This kingdom belongs to me. I am the king of this land, King Dikeh. They call me the Mountain Lion. Before you erect any structure in this kingdom, you must come to me and take royal permission. Did you do that?
No, Your Highness.
No. The answer is no. Simply means you violated the rules. So once you do that, it means the property will be confiscated and it now belongs to me. End of story. If you try to erect any other structure without informing me, it will be sealed and the structure will become mine.
Your Highness, with all due respect, like I said, I'm a bona fide son of the soil. And I inherited that property from my father. I had no idea that I had to come to you to lay a structure in my own village. Pardon me, Your Highness, please.
Guards, move this man out of here.
Your Highness, please, you can't do this. I'm a son of the soil. Your Highness, please, Your Highness.
The king is crazy.
Your Highness.
The king is mad. The king is mad.
What happened between him and that man that made him put a seal on this building?
Mama, the same question I asked him. But he said that I'm mad, that I'm stupid for asking him such question. He even warned me not to interfere in his business and dealings with his people. Mama, I'm worried because I don't want him to have problems with people. Having issues with people on a daily basis is not healthy.
Because of our land. So you mean to tell me that he doesn't have any tangible reason for placing that seal?
Mama, no reasons at all. No reasons. I'm suffering in that house. I'm suffering in that house. In Dikeh's house, I'm a nobody. But God knows in my father's house, I'm a queen.
This is serious. Somebody needs to call him to order. What is all this now?
Mama, you have to help me and talk to him. He's your in-law. He's your son-in-law. You have to help me out.
Somebody that doesn't even listen to you.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Uncle, you said it to my face. He now lay claims to my building. Uncle, I inherited this property from my father. I plan to build a structure there to host my friends before and after the burial ceremony. And he just came there to shut things down for me, Uncle. Uncle, I'm not going to let this slide. I'm not going to let this slide. I will fight that man till the last drop of my blood.
My son, going against a Dikeh's wish, I don't know how you intend doing that. How do you intend doing that?
Uncle, that is why I'm here. Uncle, I want you to advise me, Uncle. Uncle, that is why I'm here. Uncle, I want you to advise me on what to do.
My son, I don't want to lose you the way I lost your father. This is the loss I can never bear. Going against the Dikeh is a suicider. And I don't know how you intend winning the case.
Uncle, I don't understand what you're trying to say. Are you trying to tell me to leave my property for him? Why? Property I inherited from my late father.
My son, it's better than risking your life. Yes. You can get a better hotel for your people that will come for the burial. But for that land, forget about it. Because you can never win the case.
Uncle, it's not possible. I will not leave my property for that man. That useless kid. He will kill me this way. I promise you. Heaven will come down, Uncle. I will not leave my property for him.
Take it easy.
Property I inherited from my late father. You want to take it away from me? For what?
Take it easy, oh. Dikeh is a very strong man.
And you have fun, you never still tell me anything.
I went to confront that man at the palace. He told me he has taken possession of the land and there is nothing I can do about it.
Taking possession of your land? How? Now he get them. Now papa get the land. They mad.
I don't even know what is going on. I don't even know what is happening. My uncle is not even helping matters, discouraging me, telling me that there's nothing I would do about it and that this man is a very bad king. Now, sir, I have legal documents for this property. Hey, what is going on now? What is going on? See, listen, if that man thinks he can talk with everybody, it won't happen. No, it won't happen for me because me, I won't allow him. I won't allow him.
No gree, oh. No gree me they collect your land. Which kind of nonsense be this? That's how this man go just say they oppress everybody anyhow. They misbehave. They show himself. I just they wait for the day when they go carry that in madness near me. The day when he go carry that rubbish come here, that day everywhere go blow for your eye.
I'm so confused right now. What will I do, Lanza? What will I do?
Wait, have you discussed this matter with Ono?
No, I haven't.
I'll carry you go here. I also know we'll go get solution to this matter. Who could they go?
Okay. Thank you very much.
My daughter, since the king had made up his mind over that land, there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Oh no, you need to talk this in a whole you. What do you mean there's nothing anybody can do about it? It don't make sense now. You are the owner who talk some sense into him. Let him return somebody's property. Now still him be that though. Oh.
For all these years you've been in this kingdom, you still believe that someone can talk to our king and he will change his mind over a subject matter he has concluded? Take me. Not even Lolo can make him change his mind. My hands are tied. Count me out. There's nothing I can do.
Oh no. I don't even understand what is going on here. This is beginning to sound outrageous. I don't understand. Are they scared of this king or what? Who does he think he is? Who is this king that everybody is scared of, that no one can talk to?
He is the king. Not just ordinary king, but a powerful and ruthless one. My son, let me tell you, when a madman has so much power, the wise one just stay away from him. I will advise you to forget about this land. Please, my son.
Oh no, I will do no such. I will do no such. Oh no, I will not forget about my land. I inherited this land from my father. This is my land. I inherited that land from my father. What nonsense?
Now they really mess up for this place, so things go up for this village, oh. We don't go grill. That useless king must return person land. Come on, you should say you be on no because you know they get yourself. You do like Ogbolo.
So now what's going on? So I go a mile.
I will not allow it to happen. It would happen. It will not happen.
God! Before God, what did they happen here? Now your fellow man, now you do all these things for. You dey vibrate for your fellow man. Person where only me go single-handedly bring down. No, you not poor now.
Naza, you know I've invested so much on that property. You know how much I've spent on that property now. I will just lose everything just like that.
You no go lose. You can never lose it. You see that land? You no go lose them. You know what go stop I go carry this matter, go meet our youth leader. We go make some plans when go favor you. No worry, this your land. It go come out. You go see him.
And you think it can help?
Anything when youth put hand, they must come out successfully. And me talk am. Your land go come out. Dikeh no go fit seize that land. And me talk am. No worry, more they go. No relax. No over para.
I'm finished.
You can never be finished. When I dey for you, men mount for you. I dey for you. No worry. More they go. God. Astilo.
Hey, Naza.
How far now?
Ado, what's up?
I don't wanna leave me now. You get one or two matter I go like clear you. Things is up for this village you.
Waiting me that.
You get one of my friend when come village. You go bury him papa in 2 months time. But before then, he don't dey build house when he go to bury him papa, take host his friends and do other things. Now from nowhere, bam! Dikeh show. Seize the land. Say they not inform am. Say nobody go build anything for that land. This man just dey oppress everybody for this village. I say more will arrange you too. More will talk this matter because it don't too much. It don't be like this.
Dikeh again. Dikeh again.
Naimo.
Nazan, this matter like this, pass me. You know, say it gets waiting and never follow on a talk. It never reveal to you. You see, something happened. That period where everybody thinks I travel, I'm not ready to travel. Something happened. On today's meeting, we shall be deliberating on the dress code for the Afro Festival. On that day, I need every youth to be uniformed and dress smartly. We need to show them that the youths of this village have not come to play.
001, you're carried.
So I need us.
As you talk, I'm not so.
And who is in charge of this gathering? I am the one. You are Austin, I guess. Yes, I am. I see. And who gave you the permission to hold this gathering? I do not understand. Do I need anybody to authorize me before I hold the youth meeting? As the youth leader, I am their voice. My silence means they have no voice. What are you talking about? Listen, young man. You better seek wisdom and apply caution, is that clear? You are nothing without the permission of the king, is that clear? It's not clear. I don't need the permission of the king or anyone else to hold the youth meeting. This meeting doesn't concern the king. I see. But I see that you have gods. Young man, seize everybody here!
Caesar! We just keep quiet. You just see the entire youth. You just merchandise, enter inside our meeting. They caprison anyhow. We tell you now. See, as I sit down here, I dey Facebook you dey caprison anyhow. I dey Facebook you, no be choice. Now see, make I tell you, make I clear you now. No be that one will happen last time. Oh. When they happen here now, for this community, waiting they happen. See, if you, I swear, Maba, if you don't say, I go put up for your body. What? You they say 001, they cap, you they cap. I don't tell you before, say you know from our community. You are not from this community, and you don't get right. You don't work for the king. You don't get right to come the cap anyhow. Who goes you now?
Young man, I've missed you before, and I will not miss you again. I said, sit down here!
Guys, how many go light? Leave this one for me. One light. No, how many person go fire here? I don't know.
Come on, move. I said move.
Officer, no be can last something.
Officer, if you move, shoot him. Shoot him for leg.
Who be you now?
Officer, move. Officer,
if not be this officer,
officer, shoot him.
I go change your color.
Officer, shoot him.
Nonsense! You push me!
Nonsense!
Hey, hold me!
Officer, wait, take a clear the guy.
Officer,
Clear down.
Officer,
move! Ogun will kill you.
Officer, you are here.
Hey, I don't know say the matter reach like this, so.
Nazan, I spent almost a year for that prison.
Chimo.
When everybody thinks say I travel, maybe I go find one or two, you understand? I dey inside prison almost 1 year. It never reached like 3 weeks when I come outside now. So as I like this now, I no want get anything to do with any matter wey concern Dikeh. I beg.
No, this king don't too mess up. He go collect water or not put water for mouth talk am. He go be for am. Eh? Person me blow him eye, me in mind day. Men go mount for this matter. We go arrange you too. We no go gree.
The thing be saying, I get plan for him. I'm still waiting for the plan to mature. Just need a little bit time. The plan one I get for Dikeh be saying, I go carry matter. All this nonsense we don't do for this village. I go carry matter, go meet the council of traditional rulers. Where they judge the matter. You see everything where you don't, everybody where you don't match in head go ground for this village. Everybody must ball out, come testify. Everybody must testify against his evil acts for this village. And once everyone don't do that finish, they go strip him of that thing where make him parade himself like king. That cap where they in head, where make him the buga, the form king. They go strip him of that kingship.
This your idea, Agbadoram. If you say that crown don't too big for you, then make it do like Ozuo. But together youth be that now.
Relax. I get my plan. I get once you reach time to execute it. Be number one, I will let you know.
Where were you, Naza? Some customer came looking for you here. Were you not at the pottery?
I went out.
To where? What will be more important than your business, Naza?
But make I tell you, I never get ruler for this kingdom. That Ekwe in Suwe, they parade himself as king, can never be my king. He cup go soon fool. They do like Chris man who escape from Rehab.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you commit treason with your mouth? Do you want to get yourself into trouble? What if someone hears you?
Anybody who won't hear, make it hear now. He not get what he hear, won't hear where go make him bleed. And the truth be that.
This one you are sounding like this. I hope you have not crossed path with the king.
I pray to God make me and that king not ever cross paths. Because if we cross path, I swear, he go use the leg run come up from this village. I'm not putting that for mouth talk am. I know the cap nonsense so.
Naza. Do not allow any spirit to manipulate you into having issues with the king. Anywhere you see him, give him his maximum respect and go your way. Simple.
Make I carry my respect, give that useless king. Instead of me to give her my respect, I will carry and give goat. I will waste time for goat head. Yes, so.
Naza? Naza?
Yes?
Hey! No, I look on the mother one day.
The king is crazy. The king is mad.
The policemen are here and they are ready for action.
Oh, good.
Switch off that vehicle.
Good day, officer.
Who else is in this vehicle?
My uncle.
We got an information that you have an unauthorized firearm in this vehicle and we have the license to search your car.
Firearms, officer. Where did you get such silly information for?
Officer, what is going on here?
Are you questioning me?
Officer, I'm a businessman. I don't have any business to do with firearms.
Young man, keep quiet. Are you teaching me my job or what?
I'm not teaching you your job, officer. I don't have anything in my car. What is firearms now? I don't understand. I'm a businessman.
Open your vehicle and start time.
Officer,
start this photo.
officer, wait.
Hey, officer, open this photo. Open the photo. Am I here to romance you?
Officer, I guess you guys have a lot of time to wait.
Open everything. Search normally.
You have enough time to waste. I will call your superior now. You're telling me I have firearm.
What? Ah! What did you think I'm here to talk with you, man?
Why did you slap me, officer?
What? Better be careful with me, is that clear? Come on, get us, step out!
Search everywhere! Sir! Your attention is needed.
What's going on there?
Arms in the boot.
Which arms?
What?
Which arms?
Which arms? Young man, you're under arrest. Move this man.
How? Officer! Hey. Officer, there is a mistake.
What is going on here?
Move this man. Officer! Officer, I'm not a criminal. Officer, take it. Officer, there is a mistake.
Come in. Put him inside the vehicle. Get inside. Move! We will talk and finish you.
Where your Igwe? Take me to him now! Oh, you're gone now! Quickly, I saw! The mad! Where is he? Where is the murderer? Where the bastard? Where the Mugu?
Do you know where you are? Get out of this palace before I separate your head from your body.
If you near me, swear to God, your head will fall from your neck. The mad! Call your Igwe for me!
What in God's name is going on here?
Where's your husband?
How dare you address your queen in that manner? Are you mad?
Be like say bomb dey your head. Make I cap you. Queen, whenever you talk to your husband, not be queen, na chloroquine. Anyways, don't be you carry me come here. Where your fucking husband?
I will not accept any more insult from you. You must address your queen properly.
Let's say bomb dey your head. I go blast you at the count of 4. 1, where your husband? 2, I know say the mugu there inside they hear my voice. Cry your husband, oh. and they give her 24 hours to release Andy from the station. Else, blood go flow. Their body go surplus. I'm not gonna want them again. They feel me? 24 hours. Where you? Get up. If you move. Now move. I'm not well. No man, I go ask question. Anybody do any? I go collect water for this place. Now they whine.
So why is your face like this? Is everything okay with you?
Papa, one day I go remove person head for this community, carry a crown, dash iron condemn, and not put water for mouth talk am.
Which crown are you talking about? Who are you threatening to kill?
Not be that your useless ruler will not get shame. You see me? I go single-handedly fall that in palace if you not release my person from his station.
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you, Nazar? How would you see death staring at you face to face and you are decided to embrace it? Why? Why are you showing off your stupidity before the whole people in this kingdom? Nazar, be careful! Of all the people in this kingdom, it is Igwe Petike you are daring at. Think twice.
Who he be? Na bulletproof he be when they know fit there. I beg.
No devil will use you in this family, not even under my watch.
Papa, nothing go sup. Nothing go happen. See, I am giving him 7 days to release Andy from that station. Else, what go there? Make he go ask question. I know well, what go come? I not be like you. Where run from war? You can't run, come here. I hear say na war, I pursue you. Come there, come there, hide. I know they fear war. Anything will happen. Make the war happen. We go tiga. 7 days, you should release Andy from that station. Else, that body go surplus.
When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Nanza wamba. When you call her for war, she's ready for war.
My king, I no longer enjoy the constant conflict. Do you even consider our son? He will be king someday, and how do you expect the people to accept him when the stigma of your actions are labeled against him? Earlier today, a lady came here accusing you of arresting a man called Andy. And not just that, she gave you 24 hours to release the same man. If not, blood will flow. My king, what is happening? What is going on?
If not, blood will flow.
Yes.
Who the hell is that lady? Who's the person? Did you get her arrested? Is she locked up here?
No, I didn't.
You let her go? Huh? And you call yourself my wife, my queen? Guards! Guards! Who's the lady that came here?
She's Naza, the poultry woman, the daughter of Mazi Amadi.
You know her?
Yes, Your Highness.
You know where she lives?
Yes, Your Highness.
Find her. Bring her to me at once. Go!
King, your attention is needed.
What for?
The same lady that came here yesterday, she wants to break down the gate.
Really?
Yes.
Madness ends today. Are you mad?
Now you dey mad. If let's say you not get home training. If let's say you not get conscience. Let's say come back to this village to come bury him papa. You seize in building, seize in land, still get mind and rest time join. And you dey pray for long life. I swear to God you will soon die because you can never have long life. I gave you 24 hours to release Andy from the station. You have 4 hours left to release that man. Put a call across and make him come out from that station now, else that body goes surplus.
I see you are truly mad. You come into my palace, the king of this land, and you rain insults upon me? Huh? You challenge the mountain lion? I will bury you exactly where you stand. Lock that gate! Lock it! Shooter!
Try him! Try him! Try him now! You think only the craze? I could tell you say craze pass you. Aura for aura, picking for picking. Release Andy and I go give you your picking. Otherwise I go buy this boy. I don't get mine.
Put my son down.
I no try him. Anything I want sub, make it sub. I no go try him. Try him. I don't get conscious. I go blast and die for here. Nothing go sub. Try him. This is not only the craze. And the craze too. I'm gonna let you the mad or car. My king. Try nonsense with me. He's my only son. Please. Please.
Put my son down.
No. Near me, your blood go enter ground, you mad.
Please, I beg you, please, please. That's my only son, please. Please, please.
No!
Don't harm my son, please. My king, please do something. Do something, please. Please, please. My king. She's going with my child. She's going with my child. Please. My king, please. Over there. Please. Please, that's my only child, please. Please, please do something. That's my only child. Please, I beg you, please, please. That's my only son, please. Please, that's my only son, please. Please do something, please. Wait. Cut your gun.
Greetings, Your Highness. Sealed out to man's compound. Our father's properties, our lands, everything sealed. Nobody goes in, nobody comes out. And I want that woman here. Bring her to me now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Officer, I swear to God, I'm not the owner of the gun, officer. I don't even know how the gun got into my car, officer. Officer, please, I'm innocent, please. Officer, I'm not the... Officer! Talk to me! Officer, please, I'm innocent, officer. I'm innocent, officer, please. Oh, God, please, officer, please. I swear to God, I'm innocent. Officer,
tell me, how many operations have you used that gun?
I'm innocent, officer, please. Oh, God, please, officer, please. I swear to God, I'm innocent.
You're still lying.
Officer, please.
Eh?
Officer, please, officer, please. Officer, please, I'm innocent. Officer, I'm innocent, please. Tell me the truth. Stop! Officer, please, I'm innocent. Officer, please don't kill me. Officer, I'm innocent. I swear to God, I don't even know how that gun got into my car. Officer, please. Officer, please. Officer, please. Officer, please. I swear to God, I'm not
joking.
Officer, don't kill me, please. I'm not a criminal. Please, officer, please. God, please.
He finally arrested you. I know it will get to that level.
That man dey mad though. He go release that man, whether he likes it or not. He go release my friend.
But yourself, which kind of mind you get? What thing give you the mind, the morale to enter palace, go challenge her?
Since nobody won't talk to her, somebody gas tell him the truth. And what thing I do be that. Yes!
Baby, you need to be very careful. You need to be very, very, very careful. Because that's a very risky movement you make. Yeah, you get a lot to lose.
When he died, I talk. I bet follow me, ma go see Andy for station.
Where do you want to go see him?
Like now.
Oh yeah, now. Ma go change.
Why? Why you want change? You get paid for that station. You're okay like this now. I bet move they go.
Go. Good afternoon.
Hold on. Good afternoon.
We are here to see someone.
You again? You better say the mission, Sabi.
Officer, I'm not here to see you guys. We are here to see someone.
Andy, una people lock her for nothing.
Hey, be careful. Don't talk anyhow here. You better stay in one make and what you hear me.
Officer, we are not here for troubles. Can we please see him?
You better say you're the crazy, Sabi. If you talk anyhow here, I will lock you up here.
Lock her, I hail you. Lock you up here.
It's obvious they don't want us to see him. I'm sure Dikeh's hand is in this. Yes. Please, let's go.
Okay, what's your couple to Andy? Go just suffer for nothing. I'm not going anywhere.
We need to go and strategize.
What is corruption? I will shoot count for your eye. Corruption when you're in this country. You know what they do.
See the place?
I bet it out.
What is here? Wait. I go get her. No, leave her. Me? Leave who? Come here.
My king is not necessary. You can avoid all of this. You can't keep dragging your name on the mud with these people. Just release the young man for peace to reign.
That will never happen. Nobody does this to me and goes scot-free. Nobody has ever insulted me and lived to tell this story. Not even a woman, mere woman. She had the guts to come in here and point a gun at me, the mountain lion. Never! Before the end of today, I will have her head on my hands.
My king, I'm still your wife. You should listen to me sometimes.
I did not marry you to advise me, woman. Shut up. I married you to give me an heir. Give me a son. You've done that. Your job is done. So when I'm talking, shut up. I don't need your advice.
The king is crazy. The king is mad. The king is
Honestly, Mama, I don't know what else to do. My husband has become a tyrant king to his own people. I fear for my son because these people may transfer their aggression to my innocent son. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I've tried talking to him, but it's not working.
But I warned you, Ola. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. You were so blinded by love that you couldn't even see the red flags while they were right there staring at you. Huh? Now tell me, a young man who does not listen to his wife, nor anybody, is a walking chaos. Look, honestly, I don't know what to say to you again. Dan, Ola, carry your cross. Because I want you. You could give me my grandson. Now.
Mama, you have to help me
out.
out.
How are you?
You have to help me out because I've tried. You have to help me out. You are my mother. Because I don't know. I've tried. I
don't know what to say again. Ola, carry your cross. You are big now. Nah, I'm making your favorite food, huh?
Papa, you come out?
How is it going?
They go well, oh. Papa, I'll say you jam the kitchen door. You lock them. No, I won't lock them now. Every time you go, they say make I help you. But now you always use this back door. You know they ever use front. Every time you go there, pew, you go past back door, come out. So pew, go back, go lock them. Papa, I see you're busy. Go lock him now. Go lock him. I don't say you lock him.
Please.
No, Papa, go, Jama. No, they beg me, go. No. Follow here, jam the door. That's so.
Why are you putting seal on my gate? And what have I done to deserve this?
Order from the king. Your land and this house is now King Ekwedike's property.
Hey! Hey!
Old man, if you know what is good enough for you, you and your family should move out of the property now!
Hey! Hey, where will I go from here? Hey! Oh, hey!
Oh no. I'm in trouble.
Trouble? Why? How?
Mr. Igbo, he sent his boys to come and seal up my land and properties. Truly, I don't know what my offense is.
My God. I just hope that is because of your daughter Naza. Because the other time, I remember, yes, she was trying to form quarrel with Dikeh. No.
No. Truly, I don't know. I need your help. If you come along with me to the palace and plead my case with Igwe, please.
Amadi say, come to the palace to do what? Oh, you think our Igwe is a reasonable human being, eh? He only gets satisfied with things from the darkest part of his heart. Okay, I come on here, I'm sorry. Not to me.
No. What would you have me do? What do you want me to do? There is no harm in trying. Maybe God will touch his heart to my favor. Please, come along with me and plead my case with you, please. Big Connie.
Amadi, I don't want you to feel that I don't want to help you. I will help you. But let me tell you this, let me make it clear to you that this very subject matter, there's a big harm in this trial. I'm telling you. I'll go and get ready and we can go there. Wait for me, come on.
Hey, gods of our land, please, let the presence of Ono pacify the heart of the king to my favor, please. Hey.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Nice to have you here. How is the family?
All is not fine, I must be honest. We want to see the king. Can you please help us to tell him that we are waiting?
No, is there no problem?
My queen, we rather prefer the king to talk to us.
Very well then. I'll go and call him. Just make yourself comfortable. Do you need something to eat or drink? Anything? Alright. I'll be right back. Thank you. My king. It's me. He wishes to see you immediately. He's downstairs. But my king, he looks worried. I think something is wrong.
Let him wait. Hello. How do you want to see me?
Yes. The reason for coming here is because of Mr. Amade. He confided in me that the guards have seized his land and its compound. We are here to beg you. In any way he and his family might have wronged you, we are begging you. Forgive them and spare them. Please.
The next compound I'll see will be yours. Yes. For silent, stupid people to fight me. So it is you. It is you. Did you hear what your daughter did? Your daughter came to my palace. She had the guts to fight me. She pointed a gun at me. The king of this land, the mountain lion himself. And then she abducted my son. Did you hear it?
God, please temper justice with mercy. Do not make me a destitute and thereby sleeping under shade. Please, I beg of you.
Bring your daughter here. Submit your daughter to me. And your compound will be unsealed. Do it immediately. That's for you. The next time you try such nonsense, your position as Onowu of this land will be stripped off.
I'm sorry.
Leave my palace now. I said leave my palace now!
Amade, eh?
Ichie, what is the matter?
I never known my daughter was right all this while. He's a devil in a woman form.
Who are you talking about, Ichie?
King Ekwedike, of course. He stripped me of everything I have. My lands, my family, everything except my daughter.
Are you certain about what you are saying?
Do I have reason to lie? Do I?
I am sorry about what happened to you. But I assure you that the end of that wicked king is near. Take heart.
All is well.
Take heart. Chill. Igwe Ekwedike.
Osilo Alpha. Any better? Eh. Okay, they come. Obi, rush go poultry. No, they come. They feel me. Okay. What's going on? Papa?
I
don't understand.
See, as I talk to you like this, see that useless king, that tyrant, waiting say, now only I get power for this village. Say nobody fit do am anything. My sister, that one don't get to your family.
My parable you dey speak, oh. What you dey? I don't understand.
Make I explain them to you.
Yes.
As I dey come back, I see your palace. You say the tyrant king don't collect everything wey belong to them. Seal off everywhere, even the farm.
Eh?
What's that they yarn you now? Like direct, like from the source. Your papa say the tyrant king don't seal off even the house, the compound where una dey live.
Eh? No, now. No, they never born the bastard wey go seal my papa property. They mad. What you dey cap like this?
I dey tell you as it be.
What you dey cap now? No, now. They never born the person wey go seal my papa property. Now for waiting. Wait, I dey come. Eh?
Take am easy, oh. Take am easy.
Thunder, fire all of una. Useless Igwe. Come force me go for my papa house, make I see. Make I see the person where go carry this my papa house take. Come and force me out. That thunder go fire you. If I no buy person, my name no be Naza. Rubbish. Thunder fire you. God go punish your papa Igwe. Stupid Igwe, useless man. Go seal your papa house. Don't be my papa house, you go seal. Nonsense. You dey find you wan oppress. No, make I come see who go push me come up from my papa house. If I not buy that person, my name no be Naza. In fact, I will stand for here. Make I see who go come up from my papa house. You useless people.
Naza?
Papa?
What have you done? Did you take off the seal?
Yes, so I remove am. Papa, see, make a clear, no dey panic. If you get me, no dey fear. Nobody go feel oppress you for where I dey and no go agree. That useless man cannot come and steal your house for waiting. I ain't get your house. Now by force? Which kind of operation be that? I no go agree. If you try nonsense with me to God, I swear, Papa, I go buy person. Blood go flow. The body go surplus.
But this is not the right approach to this. It will put us into trouble.
Papa, I no dey fear anybody. I know they look Uche face. Papa, anybody when he dig pit for Nazar go fall inside. Finish your house. That Igwe will not collect it. Go inside. Dikeh! Your blood, eh? It go touch ground. I go touch you. Nonsense. Useless Igwe. Is it by force to collect people's property? Is this not stealing? Dikeh, now go punish you. Now go punish you. Go punish yourself. Can you come and see my father's land? For what?
No, we expected to evacuate the premises before tomorrow sunset.
Please, people. Tell them keep an eye on the company. The moment they see that much, go to me. Is that clear?
Yes, my king.
You and the other guard left Escalating to see the royal seal. Am I right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Whose property sent you guys to go and seal?
He asked us to sail the land and compound of that poultry woman's father.
The same crazy poultry woman?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Nazar, why are you waging war against a powerful man in this kingdom? Do you think Igwe Dikeh is an ordinary man you can toy with? No, you are wrong. You are even ignorant of how wicked and fierce that man can be. See, everyone in this kingdom is afraid of him. And none can even stand against his way except you. Nazar, do you want to kill me before my time? What do you have to fight against him?
Papa, waiting, sef, una no dey tire. Only one man won't cripple the entire kingdom. Una open eye, they look the man. If they do and undo, nobody feel stop him, nobody feel challenge him. Is this leadership? Is this how to rule the people? Is he practicing democracy? No, he's not. This is autocratic system of leadership and I will not take it. This man is an oppressor. He is oppressing the people. I'm not going to sit down and look at him. One thing I hate in my life is when you oppress people. Nobody can oppress me. Nobody can oppress the people. I hate oppressors. And I will fight that Igwe. Yeah, you see that Igwe? I will fight him with the last drop of my blood. Because this is slavery. If we don't stop him now, anybody that will take over from him will continue from where he stopped. The person go worst past the Igwe and I no go take him. I no go agree. We go take him. We go shook leg for one trouser. Don't be you.
Must it be you? Must it be you? Why are you staking your life, making yourself a sacrificial lamb for this kingdom?
Who else it go be? No, who else? But no, they stress yourself. As we speak, the battle line has been drawn. Let the best win. all of una fit challenge am. No be only me dey challenge am. It has to be me. Let the most powerful win. Oh, sure. Papa, he go cry. He go cry. You go see him. You go hear this curse.
Hey! Super girl, man. No problem. Come and get for please. Ah.
Why are you so stubborn? What point are you trying to prove? Why do you choose fear over respect from your people? A king who does not have love for his people, what kind of king does that make you? Ekwedik, I'm still talking to you and you're walking away. Listen, I'm your wife and I must tell you the truth. If others are afraid of you, I'm not. Change your ways, Ekwedik.
Talking to me? Are you mad? Shut up! In my presence now.
The ground that's made to protect is now killing.
The royal seal is not also here. This must be the crazy handwork of that woman. We have to go in and confront she and her father.
Abomination! Would they remove the seal that was mounted on this gate? Who is that person that is not a friend of King Dikeh? Come out! Who is there? Come out! Come out now!
Hey, what the? What did they do for you? Why not they make noise for this place? What did they stop? What did they occur? They ask you, they look me. What did they happen? Why are you making noise in my house?
Who removed the seal that was placed on your gate and your farmland?
Okay. Also, you know, say na my gate and na my farmland. Now una no fear. Una put seal for that place. If I say bomb there una head, wait till they come. What be the seal be this? Is this not the seal? Na me comot am.
The king should find out what you've done. You'll be more trouble.
The king. I like to hear that kind of thing. You know what thing go sup, eh? You go call your king. If he get mind, if he get morale, make he put the seal again. I won't check something. He go cry. He might go there. Make he come put the seal by himself.
You'll be punished for this.
If you get mouth, they talk. I said, go and call your king for me. Tell him to come and put the seal on the gate himself. They look me. I said, go and call your king for me, they mad.
Where is she?
On our way there, we noticed the seal was no longer on the gate, and she had access to the house. So as we tried to drag her to the palace, she almost fought us.
She almost fought you?
Yes, Your Highness.
That means you saw her with your eyes.
Yes, Your Highness.
And what did I tell you? What was my order? I gave an order. I said, the moment you see that lady, you bring her here, right?
Yes, Your Highness.
So what did you do?
Yes, we are sorry, Your Highness.
You're sorry. And you have a gun. You couldn't shoot her?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
That gun of people, am I? Let me see you return here without that woman. I will have your head for breakfast.
The king is mad. The king is mad. The king is crazy.
You see what I'm talking about? That idiot is trying so hard to make the king look stupid and weak before his people. Had the guards to pull off the royal seal, the king ordered the guards to mount on a gate. What is all this? Oh, tell me, what is all this? I've told the king to release that young man for peace to reign.
Not be small waka you waka. A very bold one. And as you don't pinch Igwe Ekwedike, he will come after you with everything he has.
I know. My mind did there. As it be like this, if you get 1 or 2 places where I want waka enter, I go protect myself.
Very good.
Yes, so.
Very, very, very good. Because as I'm talking to you, your life is at stake. Even your father's life is at stake. You people need to find somewhere you can go and lay low for now. Until everything calms down.
You're right. That's the best thing to do.
Gods of our land, Chukwa Bioma, I believe you are seeing all this evil besieging my family. I've engaged a lot of strategies to bring my child out of tragedies, but unto no avail. I implore you, guide and protect her. If not, at least for the sake of this kingdom, do this.
Papa, I would like me to come out from this house. Let's go to somewhere safe so I can plan. Because I know say as I dey plan my next move, that useless Igwe dey plan his own too. He get plans, me I know.
Naza, where do you want us to run to? The same house you were protecting from being taken by the king is the same house you want us to run away from. This is why I never wanted you to engage in a fight with that ruthless and evil king.
Papa, he who fights and runs lives to fight another day. And the way forward and the reason like this, I just need a place where I could just perish. I just need you to be in a safe place so I can be able to attack that Igwe. I need to deal with that man. Because I know say that man, hey, the man mind can never rest. He must come and look for us. So I need us to move from this place. And the way forward at a reason like this, I just need where my head go dey calm so I can be able to reason what I will do to that man. They feel me?
Okay. Where do you want us to run to?
Well, as for me, I can go to Austin's house, my friend. But you suppose get 1 or 2 relatives when you go hide for their house until everything is sorted out. Suppose get relatives. I be how you see them.
Have I ever told you that I have a relation? I don't have. This is why I don't engage in troubles, because none will come for my rescue. I am not going anywhere. If the king wants, let him come here and kill me. I'm not going anywhere.
You open eye and you raise voice, talk am. May God bear me witness, say me I advise you. I don't talk my own. Anyway, since you say you go stay, I will not force you. This gate, please, always lock the gate, because I know say that Igwe will come to this house. I know say go find us come. Always lock all the doors apart. No come out from house, so. And if anything happen like this, Pankam, put call, I go represent. Yeah? You say you want to stay. Okay.
Who is there? Go open my gates. Your Highness. This one you entered into my house through the back door. Hope all is well.
My house. not yours. This is what you get when your wretched daughter tries to wage war against the mountain lion.
Seize him. My life. Do not kill me. Do not kill me. Your Highness, do not kill me. Please spare my life.
His hands.
Oh, spare my life. Please, don't kill me. Don't
A walking stick.
The ground that's made to protect is now.
Naza. Naza. Naza.
Papa, what are you doing here?
Go home. There is trouble.
Which trouble?
I said go home. Go home. Go home.
Papa! Hey. Obina, where you go since?
I did poultry. I go put water, put flagyl for the fowl then.
Just to put flagyl for their water. Now you waste all the time for there. This boy.
Nah, it's not.
Drop the fowl, make you roam. Says you hold him.
Which one?
Drop him for ground, so you tie your leg.
This one. Each one get malaria. I'm going to just settle at once.
Leave me. See what you go do for me. Run, go ask. Go check on my party, okay?
May I first spoon.
Go meet my papa fast. It's urgent. She can't dream be this.
Philmond! 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 Papa? Papa? Papa, no vex say I know too much. I no wan disturb your sleep. Make I go tell her say you dey sleep.
What happened? Where is he? Why you run like this?
Matter dey ground right now.
Which matter?
Herdsmen enter this community, come run matter. And they tell you, I need go track them. Right now, boys they wait for me. How far now? You go come with me?
I for like come, but I sent Obin and me go check on my papa.
Anyway, something. You go collect. You go flush them out. I go leave you here.
Oh, well, now I go join you later. Make I don't come.
You know, boy. Waka.
You see my papa?
He dey crash. Philmond dey crash.
You sure?
He dey sleep when I enter. No one just disturb me sleep.
He's fine. Nothing is wrong with him.
You know, senior man dey relax.
So what you talk now?
Where they go now?
Where they go?
Go where? Go where we dey go? Oh yeah, now I use this one test sanitize.
Those X-Men, I see them when they pass this way. I tell you, they merchandise this way.
Wait, you see them?
I go lie for you. I say I see them. I Facebook them with my crow eyes. They from this place to Ama. See, I know say these people no get ododo. Our moral starch pass.
Can wala be this? We don't have to this useless king they do us. This headsmen won't add to our own. Give me that color. They mad. They mad.
Please, man, here they follow.
Where side they follow? What happened?
What happened?
Who's talking?
Husband, don't keep my husband for me.
Madam, where are they?
Where they pass?
They follow this way.
Madam, they go out.
I want to back anymore.
Where we there? Where we there? They're mad.
Follow this place.
Go this way. They're mad. Rafa.
No, sir.
Rafa.
No.
I don't check everywhere. I don't see anybody. I don't check bush check. I don't see any headsmen. Where they?
They are very lucky. Because I swear to God, if say we catch them for this cabal, they for collect for our hand. Next time, they no go ever cross this community again.
Which kind of wahala be this? But this will not out of my anger this hot afternoon, no. Eh? Which kind of rubbish be this?
See, my mind they tell me, say, these people carry antenna de waka. My inner chest no fit fail me. Obayawa, who see the search at the ODS?
What we search?
No, go back.
Who they go?
ODS.
They go collect you to catch them. No. Papa.
They go anywhere. I don't know what's with that. What did they happen now?
Naza, talk to us now. Where your pale dey?
Naza, talk to us now. Be your guys now. Follow us talk. Wait, even they cry. What did they sob?
Igwe Ekwedike have done it. Igwe Ekwedike has done it again.
That bastard.
I believe me.
I don't say body they pepper you. But you need to use your head.
I know what is my head again, what is my color. The man where I buy my papa still they breathe. So wrong now. They look me less. Let's see, buy my papa now, man leave him. You don't pee for a mo. Man clear una. My papa body no go enter ground until everybody know what that evil man do. Organize the youth. We get rally. Dikeh! 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 I think you don't fire. You don't kill my papa. Go carry it, but you go chop him. When the useless Igwe come and eat his body, the one where you find, you go see him today. I don't carry war come. What, Dikeh? If I not open this gate, I go fall the gate. I know well, no, when I go ask question. You don't kill my papa, Abi, you go chop me body today. I go fall this gate. If they not open it, I go fall out. Why the useless king? You see when you dey find, you go see him.
Jesus Christ. My king. My king. My king. My king, some people are shooting outside. What is happening? Are we under an attack?
We cannot be under any attack. Anybody who attacks us will not go scot-free. Anybody who attacks us will die today. I'll bury all of them alive. Leave them to shoot. Let them be having their fun out there. It's not your business. Leave them.
What do they want? Who are they?
If you are bothered, you can go and find out.
The king is mad, Obwanyemba sindu na sayo sa. The king is mad, the king is crazy,
God! Hey! God!
Who are those people shouting?
Your Majesty is Naza, the poultry woman, and her friends.
Naza? Has he gotten to that extent?
Yes, Your Majesty. She came with the corpse of her late father.
Corpse of her late father? Her father died?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It's not in my place to discuss such sensitive matter. I bet you take my leave.
I'm praying deep inside that the presumption I have is not true. The same poultry woman is here with some youth creating a scene. And she brought the corpse of her late father. Why would she do that? My king, do you know anything about the death of her father? Answer me, Dikeh.
Man, I am sick and tired of your nonsense. Who are you questioning? Are you mad? Go down on your knees, my friend.
Sorry.
Whose side are you on?
I'm sorry, please. Don't shoot, I'm sorry.
At this point, you have to choose.
Yes, sorry.
My friend, I'm still talking. Shut up. At this point, you have to choose. Tell me whose side you're on. Are you with me or against my friend? Shut up. Are you with me or against me?
No, I'm not against you.
With me?
Yes, I'm with you.
You shut up. If you're with me, you shut up. Stop questioning me and be with me.
Please. Mama, I don't think I will continue to stay in that house. I just want to run away from him with my son.
Ola, don't even say that one. Don't even go there. Judging from how beastly your husband is, you want to put your life and the life of every member of this family at risk.
Mama, I can't stand this anymore. I can't stand it. Dikeh is a murderer. He killed an innocent man over his own property. Mama, I can't continue with him.
Dikeh is a thorn on everyone's flesh. I've been hearing his news. I knew this from the start, but you wouldn't listen. I warned you. All we have to do now is to pray for his change. Don't even think about running to anywhere.
Because I know him. He will find you and hurt you. Not only you, he will also hurt me and everything that is connected to you. Biko, I beg you, before you make any hasty decision, Biko, think it through.
Mama, you and I know that Ekwedike can never change. He doesn't listen to anyone. I don't continue to stay in the same house with a murderer. No, I have to leave. My son is very important to me.
Everyone is important, including me too, and every member of our family. Biko, Ola, you have to just take your time and think, so that you don't put us in trouble, Biko. What kind of problem is this? Chukwuabiama.
See, I am going to run away from this palace this night. I can't come and die for nothing. No.
See, I don't even understand. Where are you running to and why?
What kind of question is that? Are you blind? Are you not seeing what is going on in this kingdom? See, okay, what if the youth and Naza strikes? Who do you think is going to be the scapegoat? Me. I cannot die for anybody.
My friend, what did you sign up for before you took this job? Our work is to protect the crown bearer. And we must do it by all costs, dead or alive. That is our job.
Yes, yeah. You see, this crown bearer is not worth it. I cannot sacrifice myself for this crown bearer or what. So,
see, don't say I did not warn you. You know who our king is. If you should hear about it, you'll be charged for treason. Because I don't want to die. Our work is to protect the crown bearer. I've told you.
If you want to die. If you want to die, die. I'm not.
Welcome, daughter of late King Iken. I knew you were coming, even before you summoned the thought of coming.
Wise one, it's like you are mistaking my identity. I am Chinaza, daughter of late Amadi, not daughter of late Igwe Ikena.
What you don't know is bigger than you. Amadi was never your father. Late Igwe Ikena was your father.
Late Igwe Ikena? Who be that?
The last two crown bearer of your kingdom. Look into the pots of truth.
Are you okay? I've been meaning to ask. What really happened?
My husband was killed in cold blood by his younger brother, Dikeh.
What? The Igwe is dead?
He was killed in his sleep. I saw him. But I have to run off before he could see me and kill me too.
This is preposterous. The Igwe is dead. I'm so sorry. What? Are you okay?
The baby's...
The baby's coming. What do I do?
You have to help me.
Who is there? Anybody there? Hey! Listen. Is anybody there? Somebody help! Somebody help! Your Majesty. Are you okay? Do you need something?
Ahmad,
Yes, Your Majesty.
please protect my child.
Of course I will. And you too, you'll be alive to take care of her. Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Are you okay? Your Majesty! Your Majesty, no! Sorry. Come. Stop crying, okay? Sorry. I have never had a child before.
I know the journey will not be a smooth one, but I'm willing to accept it wholeheartedly. I shall take care of you as my own. I shall protect you. I shall preserve you and ensure that you lack nothing. Oh gods of our land, I pray that you give me the enablement and the resources to take care of this special child. Give me the willpower to ensure that she lacks nothing. And protect her from anyone who wishes to harm her. And on this course, I vow today by the gods that I shall remain a celibate. I shall have no wife and no children of my own, so as to have enough time to take care of this child and ensure she fulfills her mandate, and nothing shall by any means hurt you. Work is well. The gods is on our side. So help me, gods of our land. Don't worry, okay? I shall take care of you.
Your father was murdered by his own brother, Dikeh. He then took over the throne. Your mother was saved by the Hode's palace guards. When your uncle passed on, his son, Dikeh, took over the throne. You are a royal blood.
Dikeh was never meant to be king. The crown belongs to you, Chinaza.
Wait, so this man they misuse power when not be his own. Wise one, show me the way I go take cripple this man. I need to cripple him. Show me the way, Biko.
Royal blood for royal blood. That is the only way.
The Ancient One, Spirit of the Old, I greet you.
Your house is in chaos. Fate has turned around to sting you at the back.
I do not understand. Explain further.
Naza, the poultry girl whom you wage war against, has a similarity with you. She has royal blood, pure blood.
Royal blood. From which kingdom?
The kingdom which you rule now.
Impossible. Impossible. Tell me you are messing with me.
Has the gods ever played a fast one on you before? Why would they do it now?
It's not possible. It cannot be possible. I came here to tell you that I want to finish her off completely. I do not believe your words, Ancient One.
Your reign is at the brink of collapsing. She has a destiny to bring you down.
Never. That is impossible, Ancient One. Nobody can bring me down. Nobody, no mortal or spirit, can bring me down. Let alone a woman.
Only if you do that one which I say obediently, you will not fall.
And what do you say? She has come to reclaim that which was lost for years. Just as you said.
You will lose all unless you make sacrifice. Yeah, Georgia.
I cannot sacrifice my son. He is the heir to my throne. My wife lost her womb during childbirth. Simply means I cannot have another heir.
You can marry as many wives as you want. Do that which you must do, unless you lose your empire.
Dikeh, we don't to talk. It's time for action.
Bye, Awana. No match.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Who called my wife?
Your Highness, she left.
Left? What do you mean left? Left to where?
She left with your son and her luggages.
Her luggages?
Yes, Your Highness.
Where are you?
Somewhere save my king. Since you've brought war to your house, my son and I will not be a collateral of war. Okay? We'll be here to further notice.
Listen to me. I am giving you 1 hour.
That's your business. I cannot subject my son to fear every minute of the day. Fight your war for yourself.
1 hour return.
Please don't kill me, please. Don't kill me, please.
Hey, get into the car. Now! Move in!
When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Nansa, mama. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear, she's ready to fight. She know the fear, she's ready to fight. Nansa.
Take. Put your husband's number on this phone. I want to talk to him.
Respect is a reciprocal. Manabulu ni choka mbaya lugu. Nansa is ready. Abulu ni choka application. Nansa is ready.
Yeah, who's this?
Hello. This is Chinaza Amadi, the poultry woman.
Listen to me, you silly woman. You are messing with the wrong man. You are joking with the mountain lion. I will bury you alive, woman. Can you hear me?
Your Highness.
Go and get me Onu now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ow! Too much Maggie there inside though. I think I will go marry wife. Oh. My goodness, too much. Too much.
Oh no! King wants you at the palace now.
What for?
That I had no idea of.
You can go. Let me finish my food and then I will come to the palace.
Oh no!
Yes.
You dare not keep the king waiting. We will not ask you again.
Okay. Where the last order? Can you allow me to go and drop this?
Oh no!
Oh, obey the last order. Wow. Let's go.
You sent for me, and
Yes.
I hope all is well.
All is not well. You are aware my wife and son have been kidnapped, right?
No, I'm not.
You are not aware. You are lying to me. You are not aware. Alright, fine. I'll make you be aware. Lie him down now.
Michael, please, I don't know where they are. I don't know.
Let him out. Are you ready to confess?
Yes, I am.
Speak.
Yes.
Speak.
I'm aware. But I don't know exactly where they are. Please.
You are aware?
Yes, I am.
Oh. So you know my wife and son were kidnapped. You planned it, right?
No.
You lied to me.
No.
Stretch out his head. Position his neck very well. Remove your hand.
No, Maggie! Let me call them. She will bring them back. Once she hears my voice, she will bring them back. Please, spare my life, Maggie. She will bring them back. Once she hears my voice, please, I'm begging you. Spare my life.
Call them now. Give his phone. Call them now. You're wasting my time. Call them now.
Yes, Maggie. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh no. Your Igwe wife and son, they with me. I will not release them until he steps down from that throne. He must release Andy from the station. He has to return every landed property and belongings he forcefully collected from people. He will publicly confess how he killed my father, Amadi, and how his father killed the king of this land and took over his throne, who happens to be my real father. If he does all of this, I'll release his son and his wife. His time is counting.
When you call her for war, she's ready for war. When you call her for war, She's ready for war. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight. Nansa.
My way, I assure you that your wife and your family, they will return today. But she's just making a small demand. Just check her condition. Can I say the condition, my way?
What condition?
I'm just reporting what she said. I'm not adding one word of my own. She said you must go and release Andy from the police custody. She said that all the community lands that you took forcefully from them, you must return it to each and every one of them. Finally, that you must confess how you killed Amadi, how your late father killed the late king and took over his throne. That you must confess all these things. Finally, she said you must step down from this throne. She said, I'm not adding any of my own words, my king. I'm not adding, not even one single word.
I see. Guards, go into the community. All the first sons of all the youths in this land, bring all of them here. Anybody who challenges you, shoot that person in the head.
Yes, Your Highness.
Austin! 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 Austin!
He's not here.
What do you intend to do with us if my husband doesn't meet up with the demand?
Your husband doesn't have a choice. He has to willingly do what I want, or I'll force him.
I'm sorry for everything. Believe me, I wasn't in support of it. I'm sorry, please.
Listen, your husband started from his father. Not be today. Your husband is a murderer. He has killed lots of innocent souls. He has forcefully taken people's properties. You gotta release them, oh. Otherwise you go beef on now. Don't tell me sorry. He has to do what I want. My boys will give you food to eat, you and your son. If your husband doesn't do what I want, the both of you will die here. He go cry! Get food to eat.
When you call her for war, she's ready for war. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight. Nansa. When we're on to church, and I'm not going to Nansa. Okuno kaburuni, say ya nyamiya kamuriye.
My children! Give me my children, please! My children!
What is it? What is it?
It is Emeka. It is Emeka. The police took him away. They took him away.
For what? I don't know. They just dragged him out of the compound.
Which way did they? This way.
Hey!
Guys! Show! Come and see. See. Come and see.
Nazar! Manipo everywhere don Casablanca. Nazar, Manipo, as it stands now, everybody don't kidnap all the children for their Malina no be choice. So as it stands now, if you want to go bye.
Nazar, as matter don critical like this, innocent life dey at stake. Wetin we go do? Abi man prepare their release?
Any blood when that bastard spill go dey on the head, no be our head. As I dey cap una like this, na aura for aura, hostage for hostage, pikin for pikin, bass for both. Give me hot iron.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Please don't do it. Please don't do it, please. I beg you in the name of God, please. I'm sorry. Support me. I'm sorry. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Don't do this to me, please. I'm sorry. Have mercy on me, please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Have mercy on me. I'm your favorite God, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please don't do this to me.
Shut up!
Please.
Listen, anything when I do you, don't take am personal. You dey feel me?
Okay. I'm sorry, please. Don't do this, please. I'm sorry, don't do this, please. I'm begging you that
Your husband don't fuck up.
I know.
Anybody wearing price must fight.
I know, please. I'm sorry, please.
Remove your hand.
I'm sorry.
I'll your face.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Bring out your phone. Record us.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Record us. Fast. Are you there?
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
God! Bring your nowhere.
The entire kingdom is in chaos. Please, release these children, let them go. They are innocent.
Take this phone. Make a video for me.
Don't kill me, please don't kill me.
I accept the will of the gods. But my son is not present. He has been kidnapped. I am willing to sacrifice him. I am ready.
Do you have any of his personal belongings?
Yes.
Now the gods will fight your battle. Ijododo, ụbọchị anọ dị n'izu, Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, ọka ekuku ome, ọ ife ọ bụ, ijebeji ala Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, Ijododo.
How do you feel? In the beginning, the beloved.
This beads will protect you from all evil. You should always put it on. It will also protect the queen and her son. I sense evil. May the gods be with you.
If I cap you, you don't go believe on. Don't know me. Speaking for don't die.
I see. Even if I say that this is a kid or a and this is someone who knows why he's doing it.
Someone has a son.
That's a video.
Is it done?
I'm afraid the young prince is protected by a powerful force. He cannot be killed in the spirit. It now rests on you. Time is of the essence. He must die.
Who be the target?
Not the prince. But what I no understand now, who won't buy the small pikin? What did this small boy do?
Na person wey no get conscience will kill small pikin. And me and you already know the one person wey no get conscience for this kingdom.
Papa. But why? And because we kidnap this pikin, make am dey do everything we dey do for the kingdom. How come they won't kill am?
I don't know. But I know say that man heart black like charcoal. And his hands dey for this attack. Assemble the boys. We get talk.
Active.
for you. Dikeh! Dikeh! I'm here for you. Come on! Today, you will tell the entire kingdom why you won't buy your son. I don't understand why one man won't buy your son. Today, you will let them know. Secondly, the throne you are seated on is my birthright. You will step down today.
You have no birthright here, woman. You have proved to be a lunatic. You want to become a thorn in my flesh, but that will never happen. The legacy that you are fighting for to regain, I will bury it today. Where is my son?
I will never give you your son unless you do what I want. You will release everybody in this community that you have kidnapped. Secondly, every single land and property you have forcefully collected from the people in this community, you will give it to them. And thirdly, you will step down from this throne because this is my inheritance.
You are wasting my time, woman. For the last time, where is my son?
Ogumagala! Ogumagala! Ogumagala!
I see you have no idea who you are messing with. Standing before you is King Dikeh. They call me the Mountain Lion. I see you have no idea the caliber of man you are dealing with. You think I'm a toddler, huh, woman? I am Dikeh. They call me the Mountain Lion. I am the wrath of the gods. Nobody challenges me and lives to tell the story.
Austin, bring his wife and son now.
You're making a big mistake, woman. Today you shall die, woman.
Come here. I'll kill her. One bullet in her head if you don't step down.
Dikeh, please step down. Please step down. Please.
Really? Let me help you, woman. Give me my son.
No!
Or you die.
No. It's royal blood for royal blood.
Naza Naza, Anazo Kwaporoya. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza Naza Wama, Anazo Kwaporoya. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. Naza Naza, oh we're on teacher. Anamanu kwanife Naza, okunoka.
Young man. Officer. You've been released.
What? Officer, I thought I was supposed to have my court hearing tomorrow.
There is no need for that. You've been discharged and acquitted.
What?
Yes.
Officer, you mean I'm a free man?
Go home. You're a free man.
You mean?
Naza Naza, Anazo Kwaporoya. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza Naza Wama, Anazo Kwaporoya. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. Naza Naza, oh we're on to it is a reciprocal. Manambolo ni choka mpayalugu. Naza is ready. Ambolo ni choka application bodo. Naza is ready. Ambolo ni choka ababa power. Naza is ready.